Okay, everything is fine now, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Everything
Ravi.
is fine.
Good, right? Okay,
I
concentrate and see this. Okay, see this.
Okay.
Group by, right? Group by means what? Everything is just think about that unique, guys. If duplicate means same data, 2.2 is there, 2 is there here, right? Means what is that? It will take only one. What is that? 2. Okay, only one, right?
Right.
Yes, become a group.
And what is
One
that?
group.
And what after then what is that? 4.4 and 5.5, right? But again, what is that? Just what? See this executing we are executing this query, right? So what is that? 11, 13 and 14 is coming, right? Means what is that? In the table, first it's checking that, right? It's checking that, okay, two, what is that? Because based on that salary we are grouping the data. What is that? We are grouping the row, means data row, right? Data row, record, table, data, right? So these things we are grouping now. So inside that, if multiple things is there now, so okay, see this. Okay, so here what is that? 13 record is there, 14 is there. Just think about that. Here again I'm taking what is that? 15. Again I'm taking what is that? 15, right? Here D, let's take, okay, D. And here what is that? I'm taking what? E now. Okay, fine. And here what is that? Again what I'm taking? 5.5. 5.5. So what is the result now? 11, 13, and what is that? 14 will
14.
come, not
Yes.
15 will come, guys. Okay, means what is that? Group by what we are using, the 2 will come, 4.4 will come, and 5.5 will come, and again 5.5 will not come. Means what is that? Duplicate salary will not come. Okay, unique it will become. What is that? Unique only. Now got it the point now?
Yeah, yes, sir. I understood in the reverse way. That's why I asked you.
Reverse way means what?
I thought that maybe we will get the records like 2 to.
No, see, 11,
Yeah.
13
Now
and 14 we are getting, right?
Yes, sir. Thank
I think data notes.
Okay, actually, I did not save the after then what
Yeah,
is
you
that?
have not saved it. Yes.
Yeah, we are not saving this one. So good discussion is going on now. Very good.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
E record is there. What I'm taking now here? 5.5, right? Now I'm saving this one. Okay, now let's save it. Okay. Okay, I saved now. Okay, now again let's run the application. See this, what we will get. What is our expectation result now, guys? 2 means 11. After then what is it? 13. After then 14.
14.
This is our expectation, right? This is our what? Expectation. Now let's run this. 11, 13 and 14. We are getting or not? Come on.
you. Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
let's, based on this one also, let's perform the operation now, guys. So come here. Get what is that? EMP group, right? Group. This is the method now. Okay, fine. It will return what is that? List of employee. List of what? Employee now. Fine, guys. So what is the query now? Query. This is the query now. Okay, copy this one and come here. Paste it. So here what we will do now? Here take the SQL query. Okay, here make the employee. Here take the alias name. That's it. And here what we will do now? Group by
E data EMP sir.
EMP cell.
E data.
Yes, I think Ruby, right? Who's that?
Yes, it's Manjulata sir.
Manjulata. Good, good. Okay, so now come in the data runner, right? And what we will do now? Now run the application and see this 11, 13, and what is that? And the 14 we are
14.
getting, right?
Right, Ravi.
Yes, right.
Okay,
Yes,
so
right.
now okay, one more is there, right? Order by. You want that one also? You people will do the practical on that.
No, yeah.
No,
this-
not required.
Okay, good. So okay, so first, what is that? This is the query now, guys. Okay, what is that? This is the query. So this query is okay. So just tell me what is the native? What is the native meaning, guys?
Depend on database queries.
No, just normal way. I'm asking. What is the native?
Native
Our
place means
proper
birthplace.
relative to
Ne-
our
yes, birthplace.
common language.
Our place, right? Our matlab what
Birthplace.
from where we are belonging, that is
birthplace.
called what? Native, right?
Yes. Yes, native language,
So
native birth.
same like what is that? Using what we are doing now, using Hibernate SQL query, what we are making now, guys, the query, this SQL query, what we are making, database independent or not? Come on.
Yes.
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 So we are making this
Yes, sir.
queries as what? Database, what? Independent. Then
Independent.
then we can say this query is a native query? No, na. No, we
No.
can't say, right? We
No.
can't say, because this is the not a native query. Because if we run this application just by changing our dialect, right? Just if we change, just think about that. If we want to run this application, what is that? In my currently our application is running in what? MySQL, right? Spring Boot data JPA2, right?
Properties. Right.
Yes, I'm searching Spring Boot, right? Spring Boot data JP2 application 2, right? Yeah, this one. So okay,
Above.
so come here in the application dot property, right? So here what we are doing, if we change here, what is that? We are performing MySQL, right? So if we change Oracle, then this query will become what is that? The same query without any changes. We can perform what is that? We can perform what? The operation or not, guys? Come on.
Yes. Right.
So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so then we can say these queries are what? Database independent or not, guys?
Yeah,
Yes,
database independent.
Okay, so
No,
fine
Ravi,
now,
no,
guys.
not.
Okay, so in initial, right? If we write like this directly this query, right? If we write directly this query in what is that query parameter? So this query, this syntax is understandable format about what is that MySQL now, guys. So
Yes,
so this
Yes.
query is called what? This query is called what? Native query or
Data
not, guys?
dependent query.
Dependent.
Native
Yes.
query.
Database dependent query or not? So means
Yes,
what is that?
dependent.
This so this query belonging from which database now, guys?
MySQL database.
MySQL
MySQL.
database. So for that this query, what is the native database now, guys?
MySQL.
MySQL.
SQL is a native query.
MySQL database. So this query will become what is that? Native query or not, guys?
Yes.
Come on.
Yes.
Got
Native
the
query to
point?
MySQL.
Means what is
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
If we write the query based on that database dependent, based on that database syntax, only particular database, that query is called what? Native query. Come on, guys.
Dependent query, native query. Yes.
Okay, so fine, now come here. Okay, so okay, guys, so now what is that? Based on that query parameter, right? Based on that query parameter, we can perform what? Native query also, guys. Okay, this is the HQL, right? Our query parameter is supporting native query also, as well as what? Our
HQL
HQL query
query.
also. Now let's see that. Okay, now let's see that. Okay, so but some addition. If we want to perform what is that native, right? Native. So we have need to do some what is that some extra work. Some extra work. Then our application will what start to work now, right? Then so what is that? So just we are taking normal. What is that? To perform what is the HQL query now? Now query, right? Query, right? So query. Okay, so here what is that? Here, like just think about that. If we are passing this one, right? If we are passing this query, right? What is that? This query is there, right? This is the query. Now fine now guys. So here what we will do now? Come here. So inside that, right? Inside that query, what we will do now? We will take the value attribute, right? Value attribute inside that, what we will do now? We will pass the query, right? Query, same query we will pass it. After then, what is that? By default, this query annotation will not accept. What is that? This native query, right? This native query. So what we will do now? Native query equal to true. We will make what? True. Then what will happen now? Then what will happen now? Our application will start to work now. Okay guys, then our application will start to work. Okay, so work now. Let's perform the same things. Okay, let's perform the same thing. So what we will do now? Copy this one now guys. Okay, so this is the already this method is there, right? Let's convert this method as what? Native only, right? Let's convert this one as what? Native. So what is that? This is right, the same things. But what is that here? What we are writing now, guys? This is the MySQL query, not what is that HQL query, right? So in HQL query, we can take the star or not, guys. We can take it, right? Because this is the which query now, guys? Come on.
Native.
Native query. Native query.
Native query, right? So native query, based on that native query, let's see the result now. Already something, everything we wrote now. Okay, so just we have need to do additional things, right? We have need to write the query based on that what is that database. Based on that what is that database, and what we have need to native query equal to true. If we make that, then this method will start to working was based on that native. But in future, if we change the dialect, right? Dialect based on that what is that MySQL, Oracle database, then what will happen now? Then this may or may not be work. If syntax will match, then it will work. If syntax will not match, right, MySQL database, then what we will get now, guys? We will get what? Error. We will get what? Error.
Error.
So
Error.
okay, so now let's run the application now, guys, and we will see that okay, it's working or not. See this, guys, we are getting still result or not? 11,
Yes, working.
13 and 14. So same like what is a native means? What is that? Database dependent query. We have need to write what is that database dependent query, that is called what? Native query, guys. Okay, got it the point now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understand.
Okay, so fine now, guys. So till now we are using what is that? In initial day, I told, right? I told what is that? And the last weekend, Saturday, I told what is that? Query is a query. What is that? Query notation is supporting what is that? Non-select operation also. Select as well as what? Non-select operation also, right? I hope people are remembered.
Yes, right.
Please be active, yeah. Okay. If you people are active, then interest will come. Okay, now from here onward, I'm trying to make the session too much interesting, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So let's move on and I'll see that. Okay, see that what is that query, right? Okay, good. So now fine now, so let's perform what? Non-select operation also,
Okay.
right, guys? So non-select operation, for the non-select, whenever we will perform the non-select operation, right, means update, insert, delete, this kind of operation, guys. Okay, so for that query annotation is supporting those things also now. Okay, so what is that? Query is there, right? This is the query parameter, right? Query is there now. Good. So come here. Okay, so some again we have need to perform what? Some additional things, guys. Okay, some additional things. So let's see that. Okay, that one also. So to performing using what is that query parameter. QUERY, right? Query. Good. Using query annotation, what we can perform? We can perform what is that non-select operation also. What is that non-select? Non-select operation also, right? So non-select operation. So what is that? Using what is that by default? By default, what is that? By default, indicate as what? As it is select only. Select SQL, right? This query annotation is by default. What is that? SQL query means select operation only can perform. So if we want to make, right, if we want to make as a non-select this query, so for that, what is that? We will for that select query, right? Query, select query, select query. Query annotation is there to performing what is that select operation. Select operation, same like, right? If we want to perform what is that non-select operation, at the rate query plus what is that at the rate, sorry, modifying, right? Modifying annotation we will apply. Whenever we will apply, then we can able to perform what is that non-select operation, like non-select operation. Non-select operation like what is that update, and what is that delete operation. Delete operation. These operations we can perform what is that at the rate modifying annotation is there now, guys. Okay, so we will not expend much time about what is that this query modifying query, guys, now. Okay, so suddenly we will move on association mapping now. Okay, association mapping now. So just let's but what we will do now, let's see one example. Only one example need, guys, okay, to understand the things. Okay, now are you ready now, guys?
Yes, sir, we can do that.
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Okay, so fine now, guys. So what is that? So our need is what? So just come in the database, right? So based on that, what we will do now, update. Let's perform the update operation. A and salary is there, right? Salary is there. So I want what is the to here any other name I want other and salary increase, right? Just think about that. This employee is there. He getting the in the company one hike, right? His salary is increasing now. Okay, so this is our requirement. Okay, so come here. So what is the query now? HQL query we will write, guys. Okay, HQL query we will write. Okay, so just what I'm going to do now, I'm taking one method, right? So update what is that EMP, update EMP name, right? EMP name by what is that? By EMP sal. Okay, good. So what is the argument will be now, guys? So what is that EMP sal and what is that EMP name and EMP sal I want to modify EMP sal and EMP name, right? So string EMP name is what? String what is that EMP name, right? EMP name E name, just I'm taking what is that E name, other was what double I'm taking, right? Double E cell. Okay, this is what our argument is there, right? This is our what argument is there. Good. Okay, good. So we know that what is that our update, whenever we are performing the update operation, what is its return type now, guys? Int only, right? Int. Okay, so integer, I'm taking integer. 0 or 1 only it's returning, right? Okay, so fine now, guys. So this is the method. Okay, our what is that? This is the method now. Okay, guys, so come here. What we promised now on the here modifying plus what is that? See here, not a 100 query. So what we will do now? Come here, right? We will apply on the top of what is that query annotation, right? we will apply on the top of what? Query annotation. Inside that, what is that? We will write the query. What is that? Update. What is that? Employee, right? Employee. After then, what is that? Set. What is that? EMP name, right? EMP name. What is that? EMP name only, right? Okay, yeah, this is the EMP name and ESAT, right? EMP name. After the equal to, right? What is the named parameter? Let's take the named parameter. Now, what is that? This is the, okay. So after then what? Where? What is that? EMP cell, right? EMP cell. After then what is that? Cell. Just name we will modify it, guys. Okay, name only. Let's set name only. Okay. So this is the query, right? Query
Sir, at the rate of query underscore at the rate of modify also required. Sir.
Yes,
Non-select
don't worry. I'm telling now. Okay. So, okay, the query is there, right? This is the query, we wrote it. So for the updation purpose. But if we run the application, then this will be not work, guys. Okay. So for that, what we will do now? At the rate, what is that? Modify. At the rate what? Modifying annotation we will apply on the top of what? This method. As well as what is that we are going to perform? What is that? Non-select operation. In the non-select operation, what is need? Transaction management, guys. Okay. I hope the people are remembered now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for that, one more
Yes,
annotation we will apply. At the rate transactional.
Transaction.
Yes, at the transaction.
Okay. These three annotation we will apply on the top of what is that? Non-select method, right? Non-select operation. Whenever we will perform what is a non-select operation, we will apply on the top of what is that? These two extra annotation. Otherwise, it will be have like what is that? Select. If we not apply on the top of these two annotation, right? Then this method will be have like what is that? Select operation, right? To make this method to perform what is that? Non-select operation, we will apply on the top of what? These two annotation. Then we can able to work, right? Then what we will do now? Then we can able to work it. Now let's come in the data runner class, guys, and let's see that. So fine. So this out repo. Okay. So good. So what is that? I want what is that? Just think about that. What is that? 13 record. C is there, right? C is there. Just I'm taking what is that? Any name, my name only I'm taking, right? Ravi. Okay. Salary. E-sal we are taking, right? Okay. The query is what now, guys? Double E-sal, right? Okay. Yeah. Based on that salary. Okay. Based on that salary, right? Based on that salary. So 4 point. If we modify to these two records are there, guys. Okay. 2 record will affected, right? 2 record will affect. So what we will do now? Okay, come here. EID, okay. So here where EMP ID I'm taking, and here integer. Take the argument as what? Integer. And must be matched with this one, okay? Because this is the named parameter, right? Okay, good. Come here, okay. So here, what is that? Ravi. I want to modify Ravi, right? With the 13 record, right? 13. See here, C is there, right? It will become Ravi now. What I'm going to do now? 13. Now let's run the application and we will see that. See guys, one record is updated, right? What is that? Hibernate also update employee set EMP name, this one, right? Now come in the database. Now refresh it. See that 13 record Ravi is came or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi. Okay. Yes.
Yes, Ravi. Currently, now auto commit is true, right, Ravi?
Yes, yes.
If you want to make it false, where can we do? Auto commit.
So false for that select operation, right? By default, this one is the what is that? False only, right? So if you like perform the select operation, right? So that is the Spring concept, right? But here, what is that non-select operation we are performing, right? So because of that, by default, this one is what? 1 minute. I will open the implementation.
By default, it is true only.
Here it will not show, right? Required and value true, false where the by default this one is the true. No, false.
Okay.
I think 1 minute. Here we will take the argument one.
Non-select, we have to commit. No, without commit, it will be rolled back. So by default, it will be true only, I guess.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, guys. So about that query, all concept I completed now. Okay. So next, shall we move on the next level discussion now, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
yes.
Please.
Yes. Yes, Ravi.
You people having the energy,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Long session
Yes.
will be there, guys, today. Okay, till 6 o'clock.
Yeah, fine.
Because
11
you
also
know
fine.
so much concept. I'm next weekend, guys. I'm planning to what is that travel my native. Okay, I'm going to my hometown. Okay, so maybe Saturday I can't take the session. It's possibilities there, but I will try my level best to take the session. Okay, so after reaching there, okay, because I don't know, but I will try my level best to take the. Just I want to complete today and tomorrow, right? I want to complete what is that data JPA, and the next freshly in the next weekend. My target is to start Spring MVC.
Okay, Ravi. Please move.
All people are silent. Only I don't know what is that. I'm
Yes.
Okay, Ravi.
No, Ravi, we
Okay,
said
Ravi.
okay.
Okay, so till now the things is feeling like boring kind of things is there are good guys.
No, not boring. It's
No,
interesting.
not
No,
boring.
Ravi, not
Sorry.
boring. Not boring.
You people want a break?
Yes, Ravi.
No,
Everyone
Ravi.
give everyone here fastly. Everyone give the reply now.
Yeah, 15 minutes break.
Not today. We will not take long break, guys. Okay, because too much concept is there. If you people what is that compromise, then I will what is that skip the subject. Yeah, I will not compromise based on that. What is that your response only? I will take the decision. Okay. Okay, good. Good. Okay, let's take what is that? 349 is happening now, guys. Okay, we will connect what is that? What is that? 410, right? 410, exact 410 we will connect it. Okay. And the next concept is association mapping, guys. One to one, one to many, many to one, and many to many. Okay. Many to many concept is there. Please don't okay, without this, okay, there is no project. It's my challenge now. Okay, so shall we stop the session now for the 20 minutes?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, sure.
Okay, guys. Okay, sure. So okay, let's meet 410, right? 410.
Sure.
Okay. See you.